plants. Let's talk about it. So this looks, I think, bad. It's been through a lot of radiator heat. The radiator has been just annihilating all these plants, which is why I put these succulents above here. A lot of these need to be repotted. Like this is just too small for this Sansevieria at this point. So what we're going to do is move all these. I basically have all of these planters that have herbs in them, and we're going to put them on this wall. There are also some plants some seedlings that I planted. I'm going to use this so that it could cover the top. So if you are planting any seeds, really good to cover the top with something that light can still shine through, just so that they can be more humid. To have a good start to life. They'll sprout better that way. So let's put these plants in here. Okay, this is a fennel, this is a dill. Because I don't have a lot of space, like I just don't. The way I need to do this is go up. Because I'm in Chicago, I don't have a lot of outer space. Pop these right in here. I recommend a lot of these plants, they will rot if they're too wet. So this actually makes it challenging. It's like a good idea and a bad idea. I'm gonna leave them in for now, but you might want to not have these at the bottoms because it'll have a reservoir of water and it'll stay wet. And a lot of these herbs need to dry out. So I might end up actually taking them out because it might make it really difficult. And then I'm just gonna kind of move these into different positions. And then I'm just gonna repeat this process. So here I have peppermint. And again, the reason I'm not going out to a garden is because I don't have one. Because I'm in Chicago. I have no yard. So I have to do this if I want to have herbs. Or I could go to a community garden. I have that option too. This is a peppermint. This is a lemon balm. Thyme. English thyme. Actually, and you know what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put the oxalis up here. And then the English thyme down here, because the English thyme needs a lot more sunlight. This is a French tarragon. We got this one, so I'll just take this out. I'm gonna keep filling this wall up, but for now, this is where it's at. What'll happen eventually is these plants are going to become really big, but it's really key to let them dry out between watering. So water them, don't water them again until the soil's dry. It's worse to let the soil stay wet because the roots can rot. Even if the plants look droopy, they'll come back up. I mean, that's bad too, but it's really bad if the roots are rotting, and that's why they're drooping. Far easier to come back from dehydration than from drowning.